Hey, welcome back to Chapters and Beyond. I want to introduce you to the characters of Ugly Love. This is where the story begins. This is Tate. Strong, independent. She chooses her career over comfort and control over chaos. This is Miles. Quiet, closed off. A man carrying a past he refuses to talk about. This is Corbin, Tate's brother. Overprotective, but always watching out for her. This is Cap, an old man in an elevator who sees more than people think. And this is Rachel, the girl from the past. The love that changed everything. 5 people